Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul video for you guys. This year I'm planning on using new containers that are new to me and my family. I've always used the Systema brand of containers for lunches, but this year Goodbyn reached out to us and offered to send us these containers to do a review on, to see how we like them and also how they fit into our family's lunch routine. This is the portion on the go container, and it comes with 3 small pieces on the inside. And then this is the Goodbyn Bento box, which has 3 sections. You have the big portion, the medium portion, and the small portion, and then as well as a reusable water bottle. It also comes with you can place an order for the stickers, which I think are so adorable because your kids can also personalize their box however they choose. So stay tuned for the unboxing as well as all the stuff that Goodbyn was kind enough to send us. Okay guys, so I got an unboxing here for you guys. I am so excited. Goodbyn reached out to me and send these stuff for me to review, so I'm looking forward to see what's in the box. So let me get this open and show you guys all the stuff that they sent me. I'm excited. Okay guys, so I have the box open and let's begin. Okay, so right here it says please enjoy the extra goodies. Oh, look at immediately. Let's see. So the first thing that I'm pulling out of this box is these stickers. And what they are is you can use them to personalize your lunch boxes, and they are dishwasher safe. So I'm excited for each child, and they included a set for each child. So I have 4 kids that I prepare lunch for. So this is going to be exciting for them, and it just has a whole bunch of character here, and then on the side it has letters so they can spell out their name or whatever they want to spell out. And then next in the box are these reusable bottles. I'm excited for these because my youngest son, Jaxson, he always struggled with the bigger bottles, so this will be nice for him to stick into his lunch bag. So they sent me 4, and these are the colors I chose. Where's the other one? Right here. They sent me 4. So I chose the green, the red, the blue, and the pink. I love these colors. And then next up, they sent me this container. I believe it's called Portion on the Go, and this is what it looks like. So I already have this guy open. So I can show you what comes in here. So it comes with 3 containers inside of it. And this is not a product review right now. This is just an unboxing. I will do a product review later on when I show you guys all the containers, the new containers that I have for the children this coming school year. So that's what this one looks like, and I love this one. These are good for like when you just want to send a sandwich and a few sides and you don't want to pull out your big boxes. So they sent me 4 as well. So there's the pink, and then there's the green, and the red one. So you have multiple colors that you can choose from. And it doesn't have to go together. You can just choose whatever color you want. And then next up, they sent me Goodbyn, the bento style box. So this is what it looks like. I have my toddler here, so please don't mind if you hear her. They sent me the Goodbyn bento, and it's BPA free, and it has 3 compartments. It has 3 compartments. So you have your bigger portion, your medium size, and then the smaller portion. And this is what it looks like. I'm excited for this container. And then also, this container fits on the inside of it, like that. And then you can just put your, you know, your main course and then a little side right there and then the water bottle. So they sent me 3 as well, so each color for, different color for each child. So I got 4 of those, and then also I wanted to go ahead and make a purchase for the Hero. I saw the Hero after I saw these. And then last but not least, they sent me the Sports. And these are really good quality. So I got each color for each child. And so this is all the items that they sent me. So look out for another video coming. I'm going to test these out in the coming weeks to see how I like them. Then I'm going to do a product review, and then also look out for another video with all the containers I will be using next school year coming up. So all the containers that are my favorite will be in that video. So okay guys, so the kids are home. They all chose their color. Well, a few of them didn't get to choose because Destiny automatically gets pink. And Jordan automatically got red because after he chose, the only thing that was left was red.
No, so I went blue.
The red went to, he already called the blue one. Let's not nitpick. Be grateful for what you have. So now the children are going to decorate their covers. So you don't need this. The only thing you need right now are your covers. So turn your covers over. And this is the top. So turn it over.
Is this my top?
And you can open your stickers.
This is the stickers on the back.
So your top is identified by these little ears. They're like almost like a kitty cat.
They're like kitty.
So you can start by
There's 2 stacks.
yeah, so you can put your name in the middle section right here. And then you can put your eyes and then your mouth. So put your so what letters start with Jaxson?
I already got some.
What letters start with Jaxson?
J.
J.
I already got some.
And then I gave the toddler
J.
these little containers so she don't feel left out. So yeah, you get to decorate yours too, girl. So right away, she has her eyes going. Ooh, that's pretty.
Here. I put them on the wrong way because they came the wrong way.
Okay.
It's fine. Found the A. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
What are you looking for?
I was looking for a J, but I just found it.
Okay. Now you can put it. Oh,
Right here?
we're doing this one.
These eyes are so cute.
I love those eyes.
They look so pretty. I have time. I'm going to do these ears because they look cute. There's a T on here.
That's not me.
Perfect.
What are you spelling?
I was just looking for a T. Oh, I found it.
What are you spelling?
Eat me.
Oh, okay.
Eat me.
Weird choice of words, but okay.
Eat me. That's not how you spell E.
Oh, it's an E.
Dang it. I thought put an E and an A and an E. I know, I forgot. I'm not gonna get that. You thought that was an A? No.
You can't spell eat.
I can't. E-A-T.
So sad.
It's E-A-T.
You can't spell eat?
I can. It's
Oh, Lord.
E-A-T.
This is the future of America.
Look.
Oh, that is so pretty.
I was thinking of these.
Okay.
It's the reason. I don't know which one to get.
Oh, Jordan, I love your letters.
Jordan. I like it. That's a Q or something like that.
How's everyone coming along?
Good.
Oh, I like yours. This is pretty. Oh, that's a girl. She's fancy. She's throwing up them deuces.
Star.
Star? Okay, that's pretty. How you coming along, Jason?
Good.
What did you have? Oh, eat me now. That's pretty. Destiny, what do you have?
This.
Oh, I like your
and
girl.
I'm working on this.
Oh, that's pretty. Like that egg. How you coming along, Jordan?
I'm on this one.
Oh, look at you. Keep out.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
All right, all right. You guys are doing good.
I know what I'm gonna do. What's it E?
Okay, so Jackson is all done and his looks so pretty. Ready for use. Good job, buddy. I like it.
Thank you.
Also, on these stickers, you have one that says I'm allergic to, and you can write what your child's allergic to and place it on wherever you want it to go. So I find that's really nice. And then they also have another sticker that says No Nut Kid. So
I
that's
use
really
that.
good.
So
Destiny's all done.
I have a face that's eating the world and has a knife and says keep out. I said a crown. It says welcome Destiny Albornoz. It says I love Goodbyn. And then I have my water bottle. A weird face I made up. Hashtag 2008. Oh, I don't know what this is, but I just did it. It says water and drink up. And then I have food and then all sorts of food with a silly face on it.
Nice, nice. Okay, pack up your stuff. Jordan, what do you have?
Made some type of face.
Okay.
That's about my name.
use a snail.
And then Jason has his stuff. All right, guys, so you can pack up your container. And we're going to put them back in the box until we're ready to use them. Thank you so much for Goodbyn for sending these stuff for the kiddos.
This is fun.
Okay, honey. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, and we're getting closer and closer to that Friday. All right, so I don't know what the kids are having this morning right here. I woke up late. Well, I didn't wake up late. I was just upstairs messing around with stuff having to do with YouTube. And this is what you get. Banana wrapped up in bread with peanut butter. I tried to make sushi roll, but it just got way too messy. And I'm just like, I'm not that mother. I legit am not that mother. She's going to have two cookies because I want to get rid of them out of my house because they're making me fat. I look at it and it makes me fat, guys. So you gotta get rid of it. It's not the healthiest to send your kids to school with, but it gotta go. So she's gonna have some carrots, and I feel like these carrots are way too fat for what I'm trying to do. So let's switch out the fat carrots because they don't fit in this little container. I want to get the bigger container that they have in this size because I feel like this limits me on the amount of stuff I can put in here. Even though this is the smaller version of the set that they offer. They offer a set called Dippers or Little Dippers or something like that. But she's going to have her carrots, and she has some ranch here. And her water, some pretzel. I love these containers, guys. I am in love with these. And then she has her pretzel. And look how easy it is to pack up your child's lunch. Look at that. Perfection. She has her spork for her vanilla yogurt. And she has a mandarin orange. And that's Miss Destiny right there. Destiny? Destiny? Where did the child go? Okay. So that's Miss Destiny's lunch right there. Nice and cute. Moving on over here. This is where I started getting real and, you know, doing what I do, which is nothing. So I just cut it in two. And I used my decorative roller to roll out the bread. So that's what that flour looked like. But I wasn't trying to do that. It's just the only roller I had on hand. I couldn't find my other one. But I'm gonna go set up all this off camera. So Jaxson, I don't know who's who anymore. I think this is Jaxson or Jaxson. I don't know. But he's having a strawberry banana yogurt, a mandarin orange. It's pretzel. This guy is having the same thing. And this guy over here is having the same thing. And I will see you guys on Thursday. Have a good day, guys.